Hello, everybody. It's been a really hard couple of days for everybody. We've witnessed fathers and mothers having to identify children, their babies, and I'm completely done with words or trying to figure out a way to peacefully deal with this any longer. The insidious colonial occupier of Palestine needs to be dismantled. And it's time for all of us, the whole world needs to take a step towards that goal. No more negotiations, no more empathy, no more sympathy, and definitely no more compromising. No more compromising.